Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best metal chess sets is probably one of the most elegant ways to enjoy the timeless game of chess. These sets blend the strategic depth of chess with the artistic beauty of metal craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned player or a casual enthusiast, the right metal chess set can transform your game into a luxurious and visually stunning experience. Number 5. Metal chess set with folding wooden board. This exquisite chess set features zinc alloy chess pieces with a bronze and silver finish. It feels smooth to the touch and is built to last. The set also includes a beautiful storage box to keep everything organized. The chess pieces are crafted from durable zinc alloy, offering a premium feel. The chessboard is made of natural solid wood with a fine texture. The black leather bottoms protect the board's surface. The folding design makes it easy to carry this chess set anywhere. You can enjoy a game indoors or outdoors. It's a perfect travel companion and a great gift idea. Inside the chessboard, you'll find a fixed compartment to safely store each chess piece. Each piece is individually protected within the folding board, ensuring they stay secure. Featuring chrome and metal chess pieces with a lasting shine, and a gorgeous brown chessboard, this set is a stunning addition to any home. It's perfect as a decorative piece or for your game collection. This high-end chess set is ideal for adults and can also stimulate children's intelligence. It makes a perfect gift for birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. Give the gift of strategy and fun. What we like. This set features elegant metal chessmen with a lasting shine. The folding wooden chessboard makes it easy to play anywhere. If you are looking for a beautiful and portable set, this one is perfect for you. What people say. He has complimented the case as being very sturdy and loves the design of the pieces. A heavy well-made board with large substantial chess pieces. Great quality. Pieces do have a good amount of weight to them. Number 4. Retro metal chess set, marbling chessboard. This retro metal chess set is made of high-quality zinc alloy metal. The chess pieces feature a beautiful retro bronze and silver finish, adding elegance to the game. The chessboard has a fixed compartment to safely store each chess piece. Each piece is individually protected, ensuring they stay in place and undamaged during transport. This marbling chessboard is foldable, making it easy to store and carry. It fits easily into a backpack or suitcase, perfect for travel. This metal chess set is an excellent educational toy. It teaches children how to strategize and enhance their problem-solving skills. It's a fun game for all ages. This retro metal chess set makes a great gift for chess enthusiasts. It's an excellent way to spend quality time with family and friends. The elegant design and high-quality materials make it a timeless piece. What we like. The set boasts a durable retro design with a beautiful finish. It also features safe storage for the pieces and a portable, foldable board. If you like a classic look with convenient portability, this is the set for you. What people say. It's beautiful, heavy metal pieces, sturdy board. Easy storage, all pieces go back in the board, fold it up and put it in the bag it came with. The pieces are unique and well made. Number 3. Deluxe metal chess set with wooden board. This deluxe chess set features a beautiful metal design. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced players. The set is a wonderful gift for chess lovers. The chess pieces are made of durable metal, ensuring they will last for years. The board is crafted from quality wood, and the set is easy to carry. The set includes a handmade folding wooden chessboard. It provides convenient storage for the chess pieces. The board measures approximately 29.7 by 14.7 by 5.4 centimeters. The chess pieces are metal and weighted for stability. The king is 2.64 inches tall, and the queen is 2.24 inches. They are designed for comfortable play. This set comes with a complete set of 32 metal chess pieces. It also includes a metal lock latch to secure the chessboard. It's everything you need to play. What we like. This set features sturdy metal chess pieces and a handmade wooden board. The folding design makes it easy to store and carry. If you need a durable and well-crafted set, consider this one. What people say. They can withstand constant use with nowhere to show for it. High quality, heavy metal pieces with clear details in a fine wooden box with foam cutouts for each piece in the appropriate shape. Solid metal pieces, weighted and well crafted, providing a satisfying feel during gameplay. Number 2. Medieval British Chess Set, Handmade Wooden Board. This chess set features a 100% natural solid wooden board, meticulously handcrafted. The board showcases exquisite handmade motifs, adding a touch of elegance. It's been polished by hand using traditional methods. The board is adorned with beautiful pearl motifs, all applied by hand. There are no prints, just intricate craftsmanship combining solid wood and other materials. This model uses motif instead of genuine pearl. The chessboard measures 15 by 15 by 2.55 inches, with a game area of 10.6 by 10.6 inches. Each square is 1.4 by 1.4 inches. The velvet housing inside the drawers precisely fits the chess pieces. The metal chess pieces are made in Turkey with high-quality craftsmanship. They are handmade with special coatings and paint, using top-grade materials. The set comes with a special carrier bag. The chess pieces represent British royalty from their period. The king stands about 3.35 inches tall, and the pawn is about 2.35 inches. This set is a great choice for chess lovers. What we like. The board is completely made of solid wood and hand workmanship. The chess pieces describe British royalty and their period. If you like a unique chess set with a historical theme, you should consider this. What people say. The chessboard is crafted with intricate and detailed designs, and looks even better in person than in the pictures. The chess pieces themselves are unique and detailed, adding to the overall charm and feeling of quality in this set. They have a nice weight to them and feel like premium pieces when moving them around the board. The details on the chessboard are intricately done. The wood shades are a true brown for the base, a darker different species of wood for the dark squares, and the light squares are another wood species that's a mid-tone tan. The pieces are heavy, highly detailed metal, with felt bottoms, and it's easy to determine what the pieces are. Number 1. Staunton 18.5 Large Chess Set for Adults. This chess set features pieces made of acrylic and metal with a bronze and marbled finish. The felted bottoms prevent scratches and ensure smooth, quiet movement. This set combines beauty and functionality. The folding design makes it super easy to carry. You can enjoy the game at home, in the office, at school, or while traveling. It's perfect for playing anywhere. The chrome and acrylic chess pieces have a special shine that lasts for years. The gorgeously made chessboard looks stunning in your home. It is a great decorative centerpiece. This high-end chess set is a great gift for loved ones. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. It's a fun way to stimulate intelligence. The chessboard measures 18.5 by 18.5 inches. The exceptionally smooth playing surface won't tarnish or warp. You can unfold elegance each time you want to play. What we like. This set offers a super large chessboard. The pieces are made of acrylic plus metal with a bronze and marbled finish. If you want a large and elegant set, this one is a great choice. What people say. The pieces are big and substantial, and also weighted. They have a felt bottom for easy movability. The craftsmanship is exceptional, with intricate details and sturdy construction that exudes quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.